Namaskar everyone. I wish you guys a very happy and a prosperous Diwali, and I pray to Devi Mahalakshmi so that this year turns out to be a profitable year for all of my subscribers. And this is a new year, a new beginning, so I wish you guys a very happy new year, Bikram Sambat 2078. So today the Muhurat trading is being conducted, and in this video I'm going to share my astrological view from Diwali to Diwali next year. So in this video I'm going to cover a lot of topics: geopolitics, economy, stock market, cryptocurrencies, and bullion as well. So let us begin this discussion. Before I start, I would request you guys to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and select all notifications so that you continue to receive timely notifications about my upcoming videos. So the planetary combinations that is happening today is indicating a very interesting times ahead. As per the planetary combinations, I can see that there is going to be a geopolitical crisis you're going to see in the upcoming year, that is from this year Diwali 2021 to Diwali 2022. So in the next 1 year you're going to see a lot of geopolitical crisis, especially in China, USA, Russia, and the Indian subcontinents. And if I talk about the Indian subcontinent, you may get news about border conflicts, and it may escalate as well. So it's not a good time for the geopolitical scenario. But however, I can also see like the inflation is once again going to be a topic of discussion. Like right now, nobody is talking about inflation, but again, in time to come, people will once again start talking about the inflation as well. So in the upcoming time period, the ruling governments are going to face a lot of challenges before them, especially whether it be controlling inflation, be it controlling the energy crisis, or be it the upcoming waves of COVID-19 as well. So there are a lot of challenges that the governments, that the authorities need to think about it. I'm talking about it globally, so at global levels. So this is indicating a very tough times ahead of us. So these are going to be very challenging times. And if I talk about economy, see, the economy is going to be a roller coaster one. Like as I said in my previous videos, like it will be a sort of a survival for the fittest as well. So a lot of challenges that are going to come. You may get the news like many companies are applying for bankruptcy, and a lot of things, a lot of NPAs, loan defaults are going to take place globally as well. And the industries that are going to do well is the luxury entertainment, the FMCG, the agricultural sector, the sugar sector. So overall, I believe that these are the sectors that are going to do well in the upcoming 1 year, that is from Diwali 2021 to Diwali 2022. Now the most important part which you guys have been waiting for is the stock market. The stock market, as you all know, like the economy and the stock market, they are at 180 degrees apart. And from December 15, you know the Kalsarpa yoga is starting. Now as I was checking the previous data, now whenever the market has come under the influence of Kalsarpa yoga, investors portfolio, now this is as per the previous data, the portfolio of the investors, I mean majority of the investors portfolio have turned red irrespective of the direction of the market. So this is one interesting point that I found out. like most of the investors portfolio would turn negative after December 15 once the Kal Sarpa Yoga becomes active. And if I talk about the upcoming trend of the market, it is not giving me a very good signal. Now in my Chaitra Shukla Paksh Pratipada Tithi, I have said that this bull run is going to continue till January 2022 or somewhere till mid January 2022. So I still stand by my prediction, because while checking the planetary alignments, I found I am able to locate two such months where the planetary energies have turned very interesting. One such month is February and the other such month is uh, April. So these are my upcoming videos. So this is just a preliminary view, and so overall till now I was giving a green signal in the stock market, like buy on dips, buy on dips. Now I'm changing it to a yellow signal, that is hold everything with trailing stop loss. All right, because the times are very interesting, and in the month of November itself we are going to see high fluctuations, high volatility in the market, and the same applies in the month of December as well. But however, as per my view, we are still far away from the ATH. The ATH is still ahead of us as per my view, as per my calculations. So, but the thing is, like when the market will begin its top formation journey, the big question is whether you are going to have those scripts in your portfolio or not. As I had said that the Kal Sarpa Yoga is beginning on December 15. So, and there is a high possibility that the stocks which you may have turned red, but whereas the index is continuing to scale new highs. So this is a very high possibility that you may see in the upcoming time period. Overall, I don't want to give you any numerological figure on this day, but however, you just keep my earlier targets in mind, that is 18,700 and 19,300, which I shared in my earlier videos, and I shall keep revising it because I have a target which is very far away from the present day's level, but I don't want to share it right now because it won't be a one-sided move like I had said previously as well. And if I talk about the bullion, that is gold and silver, both of them look stable to positive, and the time period for cryptocurrency is bright till November 2021. So alright friends, that's all in this video. I shall see you again in my next video. Till then, do take very good care of yourselves, and bye.